over-spiritualizing can blind us from our creatureliness, from the fact that God created us with limits, that rest is holy, that boundaries are holy, that we are called to honor the fact and the truth that as an entire body of Christ, we can serve the needs of many, but as each individual person, we cannot meet every need. When our doing exceeds our being, okay, like when we're so focused on all the actions that we need to take, the good actions that we need to take, let's say ministry or work, and we neglect our being, we neglect what we need to just rest and to be present to others. So here's the thing, when we over-spiritualize, when we're just spiritualizing and we're living and exceeding our limits, we cannot be present